All right, do we have any Sabrina Carpenter fans in here? Yeah? I thought I'd do a little cover of Nobody's Son. It's been going like viral on TikTok, so I feel like most of you should know it if you are cultured, because Okay, let's go for it, guys. Please sing along if you know the lyrics. No, the musicians have forgotten.
We took a break so I can grow emotionally. That's what he said to me. Here we go again, crying in bed. What a familiar feeling. All my friends in love, and I'm the one they call for a third wheeling. Probably should have guessed he's like the rest, so funny. To say that ain't nobody's son, not anyone left for me to believe in. Me, no, yeah, I'm good. Just thought that he eventually